Hey, how y'all doing? I finished up this pocket knife here this morning, so I thought I'd do a little video of showing it before I need to ship it out to the gentleman that asked me to make it for him. This one turned out pretty nice, I believe. This is my original country gentleman pattern. The handle material is ivory G10 and natural burlap micarta, bolster and shields. The pins are brass, and the bushing is brass with a nickel silver hinge pin for the bird's eye pivot, and it is 4 inches closed and just a touch over 7 inches when it's open. And I'm going to be having to clean this sucker off, get my old fingerprints all over it. But anyways, I did a 400 grit hand sanded finish. I did long swedges. And this one is my 47th one. Got my name etched on this side. And I have to, for the shield, I have to hand file them suckers in right now. So that's kind of a chore. But it turned out pretty decent. It's not as clean and everything as if I had a machine to help me do it. It looks like I might be getting one here pretty soon to try out, so I'm excited for that. I did some file work on the liners, and I'm quite pleased with the file work. It turned out rather nice, at least for me it did. And on the bolsters, I did an angle joint between the burlap micarta and the G10. That way, with this bushing pressing in, the way it's angled, it will also hold the G10 in right there as well. And I think it looks nice. It has a nice snappy walk and talk. Got a medium pull on it. Get those fingerprints off again. But I think it's nice and smooth still yet. Ooh, I don't want to drop it now. The blade centered up pretty nice. There we go. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this one. I contoured the handle scales a little bit more than I normally have. I had been leaving like sharp lines along the edges. I've rounded them over some. That was some feedback I got not that long ago. And so I'm trying to do a little better at that. Which that makes sense. With sharp lines, that could catch in your pocket more, or you might feel it in your hand more. So it's always trying to improve, because I am a novice maker after all. But anyways, this has been a look at my country gentleman pattern, number 47. Let me know what you think about it. And I hope you liked the video, and I'll talk to you later.